Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Power the Quest, open the Meta Quest mobile app or a browser, and sign into the same Meta account tied to the headset. Once signed in, make sure you can receive the account email or 2FA code because you'll need to prove identity. Now navigate to the headset entry in the app or to Meta. Com/accounts. These are the two places that let you manage or recover the device PIN, so stay logged in and continue. Once in the right account area, choose the headset and open security or device settings, then pick Reset PIN or Forgot PIN. If using the website, go to Accounts, Security, and locate the account PIN management to request a reset. You'll be prompted to verify with email or 2FA. Follow that verification link or code immediately. After verification, enter a new 4-digit PIN that you'll remember, but that's not trivially guessable. Then confirm it so the change propagates to the headset. Finish by syncing the headset. Put it on, attempt a checkout or lock screen action, and enter the new PIN to confirm success. If the change didn't appear, make sure the headset is online and restart it. The update needs connectivity. If you didn't receive the reset email, check spam and alternate addresses, confirm 2FA device access, and retry the reset. As a last resort, contact Meta support with proof of account ownership. Avoid factory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.